Conversation 1.
Have you seen my keys? I can't find them anywhere.
No, I haven't seen them. When was the last time you had them?
I remember having them in my bag when I left work, but now they're gone.
Maybe you left them at the office. Have you checked your desk?
Yes, I already did.
How about the meeting room? Has anyone else been in the meeting room?
Yes, John had a meeting in the meeting room. He hasn't seen them.
Could you have had them in your pocket? Check your jacket just in case.
Good idea. Oh, they are in my pocket. Thanks for reminding me.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Conversation 2.
Have you finished reading the book I lent you?
No, I haven't had the chance to read it yet. I have been busy with work.
That's okay. Take your time. It's a great book, though. Once you start, you won't be able to stop. I had many late nights because of that book.
I'm looking forward to reading it. Has Emily read that book?
Yes, she has. She likes that book too.
I'm excited to dive into it. I have had it on my reading list for a while now.
Well, let me know when you've finished it. We can have a discussion about it.
Absolutely. I'll make sure to finish it soon so we can talk about it.
Conversation 3.
Have you been to the new restaurant downtown?
No, I haven't had a chance to go yet. What kind of food do they have?
It has a big menu with lots of choices. It offers different types of food.
That sounds interesting. I like trying different foods. Has anyone talked about their special dish?
Yes, they have. People have been saying great things about their special dish. It's a very tasty combination of flavors.
I'm getting hungry now. I can't wait to try it. Do they have options for vegetarians or vegans?
Yes, they do. They have a separate section of the menu with dishes for vegetarians and vegans. They made sure to cater to everyone's needs.
That's great. It's nice when restaurants have options for different diets. Have you been to any other new places to eat recently?
Yes, I have. There's a cozy cafe that opened nearby. They have delicious pastries and special coffees. It's a nice place to relax.
I'll remember that. I like finding new cafes to relax in. Thanks for telling me about it.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.